Namaskar everyone. This is the new series of the MHC Molecule Series. This is episode 1. I am Dr. Kalpna Rakholiya. Today we are going to discuss about very important topic from immunology, that is introduction to Major Histocompatibility Complex. Right? These are the different episode of MHC molecule, in which today we are going to discuss about introduction to MHC molecule. So what is MHC molecule? MHC, it means Major Histocompatibility Complex. MHC is a cluster or group of the gene that is located on the short arm of the chromosome in human. It encoded a cell surface glycoprotein. So why it is called the MHC molecule? Let's break the word. Major, it means because it has a greatest influence of the tissue compatibility. Histo, it means refers to tissue compatibility determine whether transplantation tissue will be accepted or rejected. Complex, it consists of many genes located together. In all together, major histocompatibility complex, a large group of genes that determine tissue compatibility between individuals. Let's discuss about history and discovery of the MSc. MSc is science of the scientists observe that skin graft exchange between genetically different individual were rejected. So this suggested that certain genetic factor control tissue acceptance or rejection. So first scientist involved in this history, George Snell, he conducted the experiment on the mice and discovered the different gene responsible for the graft rejection. He identified histocompatibility to complex into mice, right? Then second scientist was Jean Dausset. He discovered human leukocyte antigen. It means MSC molecule present into the human, it called as a human leukocyte antigen. It identify HLA gene, establish the human MSC system. Then next, Baraju scientist, he discovered study immune response gene, and he also called that for immune response MSC gene are associated with it. So on honor of this scientist, these three scientists received the Nobel Prize into 1980. So these are the discovery of the MSC molecule. Let's discuss about what is the MSC versus HLA. So don't confuse. MSC is the general term for the gene complex used across the all species. MSC gene can be general terms that may be called in a mice as well as in animal, while HLA, that is the for the human specific name for the MSC gene complex. So all HLA is MSC, but all MSC is not a HLA, right? So this is the terms between MSC and HLA. So let's talk about MSC in human leukocyte antigen. In a human, MSC molecule are called HLA. HLA, it means human leukocyte antigen. Why they are called as HLA? They were first discovered on the surface of white blood cell, it means leukocyte, and HLA molecule were first recognized as the major antigen that is responsible for organ tissue and transplantation rejection. So let's discuss where HLA is present. In human, HLA gene are located on the short arm of the chromosome number 6, right? In case of mice, while in case of mice, in a human, sorry. While in case of mice, this MSC gene located on the short arm of chromosome number 17, and it called as a H2 complex individual for mouse. In general, they are called as a MSC molecule. So this is the difference between MSC in human called as a HLA, and in mouse it's called as a H2 complex. So this is a, you can see here, human leukocyte antigen. We also already called that it is a complex gene structure. So HLA, they are say main three regions are there, in which the MSC class 1, MSC class 2, and MSC class 3. So you can see here this MSC class 1 is further divided into HLA A, B, and C. HLA DP, DQ, and DR for class 2. And for class 3, it encoded for complement protein, cytokine, and other immune protein. So these are the about the human leukocyte antigen. When we talk about the characteristics of human leukocyte antigen, they are highly polymorphic. You can see here it have a greater diversity, so better pathogen they can recognize and it will display to the T cell. So second is the characteristics is co-dominant expression. It means gene inherited both from the both parents as well as mother, so it are expressed simultaneously into their offspring. It means it's a child. Therefore individual display maternal and paternal HLA molecules. They are also in polygenic nature, multiple HLA gene and higher antigen presenting capacity. And we all know that their pathogens are a very in a diverse structure and diversity in the nature. So according to that, this MSC molecule can be express different antigen to the T cell. So let's discuss the general function of the MSC molecule. It helps in self and non-self recognition. It means that are recognized between self and non-self, and it means it flags the infected or abnormal cells so that immune system know what to attack and what to not attack. It present antigenic peptide to the T cell. We all know that T cell cannot directly recognize the pathogen. It require professional antigen presenting cell. Through that MSC molecule can represent the peptide molecule of the antigen. Determine compatibility during the organ transplantation, and due to this MSC molecule can discover. It acts as also immune surveillance. It helps to detect the virus infected and cancerous cell before they spread. So how you can remember this? SATI, it means self versus non-self identification, antigen presentation, transplant matching, and immune surveillance. These are the MCQ for your practice. You can give me answer into the comment box, right? So this is your for your reference. That might be helpful in your competitive exams, in NET exam, in GATE, and so on. So thank you very much for watching this episode.